The standout of the 2016 Baselworld Watch Fair undoubtedly belonged to Rolex's ceramic Daytona, long awaited and finally unveiled. Yet, somewhat overshadowed was a new Yacht-Master release, the gray and blue dial reference 116622, which we have here today. In this exploration, we'll closely examine this particular Yacht-Master, delving into its history to appreciate why this somewhat underrated watch deserves more recognition. So let's delve into the details of the gray and blue dial reference 116622, a quintessential Rolex creation. The packaging is discreet, a plastic box encased in a cardboard outer sleeve. Let's unveil it. Here it is, the gray and blue dial reference 116622. Now, let's contrast it with the 2015 reference 116655, another unexpected offering from Rolex that made waves. We'll delve into why these timepieces aren't as celebrated as other Rolex models, and why they might warrant more acknowledgement than they typically receive. The inception of the Yacht-Master dates further back than commonly known. In the 1960s, Rolex introduced a special edition of the Cosmograph called the Yacht-Master. Only a handful, approximately 3, are known to exist today. It featured a chronograph with an exotic-style Paul Newman dial embellished with an Italian flag-colored trifecta around one of the subdials. Rolex has a penchant for recycling names, and the Yacht-Master is no exception. The moniker resurfaced 30 years later for the reference 16628 Yacht-Master, unveiled in 1992. This iteration, resembling the one depicted on the left, boasted a lavish all-gold construction, exuding opulence. Legend has it that post the quartz crisis, Rolex contemplated revamping the Submariner into a more upscale timepiece. The initial design concept for the Yacht-Master was envisioned as this reimagined Submariner. However, at the 11th hour, Rolex had a change of heart and retained the Submariner in its original form, ushering in the Yacht-Master as a distinct model. The inaugural Yacht-Master debuted with the caliber 3135, a movement still utilized today. It shared several features with the Submariner, including the trip-lock crown, date function, diving bezel, and oyster lock bracelet. However, it boasted a reduced water resistance of 100 meters compared to the Submariner's 300 meters. Undoubtedly influenced by the Submariner, but crafted to epitomize luxury, as implied by its name, the Yacht-Master embodies a sophisticated allure. The evolution of the Rolex Yacht-Master line has been a fascinating journey, punctuated by various releases that have expanded its appeal and versatility. Beginning in 1999, with the reference 16622, Rolex introduced a stainless steel model with a platinum bezel and dial, signaling a departure from the all-gold aesthetic of its predecessors. This blend of materials added a touch of refinement, while maintaining the watch's robustness. In 2005, Rolex embraced the Rolls-Royce concept with the introduction of steel and gold Yacht-Master models, offering a mix of dials including blue mother-of-pearl among others. This combination of materials elevated the Yacht-Master's versatility, making it suitable for both casual and formal occasions. The release of the Yacht-Master 2 in 2007 marked a significant departure from the traditional Yacht-Master design, boasting additional complications tailored for yacht racing enthusiasts. Fast forward to more recent times, the 2015 release of the reference 116655 showcased Ever-Rose Gold paired with a ceramic bezel, exemplifying Rolex's commitment to innovation and durability. Ever-Rose Gold, a proprietary blend of gold and platinum, not only offers a distinctive reddish hue but also ensures longevity and resilience. Finally, the gray and blue reference 116622, introduced in 2016, along with the Ever-Rose Gold and Steel version with a brown dial, the reference 116662 further expanded the Yacht-Master line's color palette and design options. While functionally similar to the Submariner with its 200 meters of water resistance, the Yacht-Master distinguishes itself with its refined aesthetic and nautical heritage. Appreciating these Yacht-Master models entails recognizing their blend of luxury, functionality, and distinctive design elements, making them timeless additions to any collection. The ceramic bezel introduction stands out, comprising a single black ceramic piece with a partially matte and polished numeric finish. Examining the dial closely, we notice intricate touches like the gilt logo atop and the red Yacht-Master branding, reminiscent of vintage submariners. An unexpectedly remarkable aspect of this timepiece is its rubber strap. While excitement over a rubber strap might seem unusual since many brands offer them, Rolex has gone above and beyond to make this one exceptional. Sections on the inner side of the rubber strap conform to the wrist, preventing the watch from sliding around. Rolex even terms it a bracelet, as it contains a flexible metal band within the rubber for added stability and comfort. Thus, it offers a unique approach to a luxury sports watch with its rubber bracelet, black dial, black bezel, and rose gold case. Turning our attention to this year's model, the 116622 features a sunburst dial akin to the cobalt blue dial with blue accents from 2012. Subtle blue accents appear on the second hand, and the Yacht-Master designation. This color scheme was previously seen on the 2015 Datejust, alongside cobalt blue, gray purple, and gray blue dials. While the finish is subtle, it adds a nice touch of color. The bracelet remains unchanged, featuring a flip-lock clasp and spring release, offering solidity and quality far surpassing earlier Rolex clasps. In the context of a luxury watch like the Yacht-Master, distinguished by its polished case, polished center links, and curved edges on the case sides, it surprisingly embodies subtlety. It wears comfortably, easily sliding under a cuff, and at 40mm, it leans towards the smaller end of the spectrum compared to many contemporary timepieces. Furthermore, it boasts a slim profile, a departure from the bulkier designs common in the market. Comparing it to the 116655, both models are equipped with a caliber 3135, the same movement that debuted with the Yacht-Master's initial launch in 1992. Significant upgrades have been made, including the incorporation of the Parachrom blue hairspring. This special alloy, composed of niobium and zirconium, is spun into an ultra-fine strand to provide both anti-magnetic properties and improved accuracy. Zirconium serves as an anti-corrosive element in the alloy, while niobium, although primarily known for its use in superconducting magnets, surprisingly enhances the functionality of the watch. Interestingly, despite both watches sharing a 40mm case size, there exists a smaller 37mm variant. These smaller mid-sized versions house the caliber 2236, featuring the innovative siloxy silicone hairspring. This technology, previously utilized by brands like Patek Philippe and Breguet, marks Rolex's experimentation with silicone over the past decade. Strangely, this 2236 movement is discreetly integrated into the ladies' versions of these watches, offering the advantages of a silicone hairspring, whereas the larger models retain the Parachrom blue hairspring. While visually straightforward and serving as time-only watches, these timepieces don't boast elaborate complications. Instead, their quality shines through in the meticulous attention to detail, an area where Rolex has consistently outshone its competitors. The fit and finish are flawless, meeting the highest expectations. The precision of the finishes is truly remarkable, from the perfectly polished center links of the bracelet to the flawlessly brushed sides. Every element exudes excellence. The mirrored finish on the case adds another layer of sophistication, complemented by the beautifully matte and evenly textured dials of the 116655, as well as the captivating sunburst effect on the 116622 that catches and reflects light as it moves. As with many models in the Rolex lineup, prices have seen a gradual increase, reflecting industry trends. The suggested retail price stands at £8,650 for the 116622 and £18,350 for the 116655. While the investment ensures top-notch quality, it comes with a corresponding price tag. Comparing the current iterations to the 1992 Yacht-Master, which featured an all-yellow gold design emblematic of the bold aesthetics of the 80s, the evolution is evident. The current models boast a refined design with a sporty rubber strap, delicate ever-rose gold, and a sleek black ceramic finish, contrasted with subtle gray and blue dials featuring a sunburst effect. These developments mark a significant journey for the Yacht-Master, making it a more distinctive and appealing choice for watch collectors seeking uniqueness and style beyond the ubiquitous Submariner. With refined designs and a palette of subtle colors and tones, the Yacht-Master deserves greater recognition and appreciation among collectors, promising a refreshing alternative on the wrists of aficionados in the near future. And that's a wrap. Thanks for being here with us at ventichic. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. See you in our next video.